पिछले क्लास में इन यस्टरडे क्लास वी हैड ए डिस्कशन अबाउट द वेक्टर एडिशन प्रोसेस, राइट? इन यस्टरडे क्लास वी हैड ए डिस्कशन अबाउट व्हाट? वेक्टर एडिशन प्रोसेस। पहले दो वेक्टर को हम कैसे ऐड करेंगे, हाउ डू वी ऐड टू वेक्टर, am I right? And we have obtained a mathematical relation to find the resultant of two vector. Resultant means whenever we are going to add two vector quantity, we will be obtaining a resultant vector. Okay, so the resultant has two parts. One is a magnitude part, another is what? A direction part. Yes or no? One is magnitude part, another is what? Direction part. So please be silent. One is magnitude part, another is what? Direction part. So the value of magnitude is obtained according to the relation. Am I right? So R is equal to how much we have obtained? R is equal to how much we have obtained? R is nothing but is what? A square plus 2ab cos theta. A square plus तुम्हें सब टिके साइलेंट रहो, रेकॉर्डिंग होचे ना। a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta। सो बेटा डायरेक्शन कौन देता है बेटा? tan बीटा। tan बीटा का वैल्यू कितना आता है बेटा? मैंने क्या बताया था? b sin theta, b sin theta अपन a plus b cos theta, b sin theta अपन a plus b cos theta। Don't talk. So this relation we have obtained. Today we are going to learn something new. How do we obtain the vector subtraction process? How do we obtain the vector subtraction process? Suppose this is a vector, right? This is another vector b. Okay. This is a parallelogram, right? And this is the diagonal. This is the diagonal which gives you know what? Vector addition. That is how much? This is R equal to how much? A plus B. Am I right? This is R equal to how much? A plus B. This is your vector A. This is A vector. This is B vector. Am I right? Let this angle is how much? Theta, and this angle is how much? Beta. Okay. So according to parallelogram's law of vector addition, we have obtained the relation that is R equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta. Tan beta equal to b sin theta divided by a plus b cos theta. Now we are going to learn the vector subtraction process. So how do we obtain the vector subtraction? Let this is vector b. So if I will take the reversal of vector b, then what happen? See how I am doing. This is vector b. This is vector A, am I right? This is your minus B vector, am I right? So this is the vector difference D, that is so called A minus B. A minus what? B. Am I right? This part okay now? If this angle is theta, then what happen? This angle is also theta. Alternate angle. अरे भाई ना. So from the given relation, this is B vector, and I have taken the reversal. That's why this is minus B vector. So vector subtraction become vector subtraction D is nothing but how much? This is A square plus B square plus 2 magnitude of A magnitude of B cos. देखो ये एंगल कितना हो जाएगा? This angle is theta, so this angle will be how much? 180 minus theta. कितना होगा ये एंगल? 180 minus theta. Pi minus theta. Cos 180 minus how much theta? So cos pi minus theta is minus cos theta. Cos pi minus theta is minus cos theta. So the vector difference D would be equal to A square plus B square minus 2AB cos theta. This part you can now. अरे भाई ना बोलो. But how do we obtain the relation? How do we proceed for the derivation? So to proceed for the derivation, first we have to draw a perpendicular, right? We have to draw a perpendicular from this point. Let I will name the parallelogram as ABCD or EFGH. Let this is A side, this is B side, this is B side, this is C, and this is my D, right? So I am dropping a projection or a perpendicular from the point C such that it touches the AD into a point called M, right? Okay, so I am dropping a projection or a perpendicular from this point okay, this is my perpendicular. Let I will name it HM, right? This put okay now. So in the triangle CMD, can we calculate cos theta or sin theta? So cos theta would be equal to how much? This is theta 90. So MD upon MD upon this is hypotenuse. ये अगर B वेक्टर है तो ये भी क्या है बेटा? माइनस B है. तो माइनस B का मैग्नीट्यूड कितना होगा बेटा? B होगा. तो MD कितना होगा बेटा? MD कितना होगा? B cos थीटा होगा. कितना होगा? B cos थीटा होगा. इसी तरह बेटा ये ट्रायंगल में CMD ट्रायंगल में you can calculate sin थीटा. तो sin थीटा is how much? Perpendicular CM upon how much बेटा? B. तो CM upon how much? B. तो CM का वैल्यू कितना है बेटा? CM equal to how much? CM बराबर B sin थीटा. This part you can know. Am I right? CM is how much? B sin theta. Okay. Now let this resultant of A and B, that is vector difference D, makes an angle. Let this angle be how much? Let this angle be how much better? Let this angle is how much? Alpha. Let this angle is how much? Alpha. Let the vector difference D makes an angle alpha with any vector A. Okay. So you will be calculating two things. One is the vector difference D, another is your what? Direction alpha, tan alpha. Okay. Should we proceed further? So now in triangle ACM is a what? Right angle triangle. Okay. ACM is a what? Right angle triangle. ACM is a what? Right angle triangle. In ACM triangle, ध्यान से देखो, in triangle ACM क्या बेटे मैं ऐसे लिख सकता हूँ AC स्क्वायर इक्वल टू AM स्क्वायर प्लस CM स्क्वायर. अरे हाँ ना बोलो. AC स्क्वायर इक्वल टू हाउ मच? AM स्क्वायर प्लस हाउ मच? CM स्क्वायर. क्या बेटे AM को मैं ऐसे लिख सकता हूँ AD माइनस MD का होल स्क्वायर. अरे हाँ ना बोलो. AD माइनस MD का होल स्क्वायर प्लस हाउ मच बेटे? CM स्क्वायर. दिस पार्ट हो गया ना. AC स्क्वायर इक्वल टू, so AC स्क्वायर इक्वल टू ए माइनस बी का होल स्क्वायर कितना आएगा? ये एडी स्क्वायर प्लस एमडी स्क्वायर माइनस 2AD एमडी प्लस how much CM square. Okay, but AC is nothing but what? AC is nothing but what? Vector difference D. So D square equal to AD is nothing but what? AD. What is AD? AD is nothing but what? Vector A. Yes or no? So AD is simple A square plus MD कितना? C. और इस MD you have calculated. MD is nothing but what? B cos theta. Put this value over here. So B cos theta का स्क्वायर कितना होगा? B square cos square theta minus 2AD is A, MD is B cos theta plus CM स्क्वायर कितना है बेटा? B sin theta का स्क्वायर कितना है? B स्क्वायर sin square theta. B square sin square theta. Okay. So now you can see this is B square cos square theta. This is B square sin square theta. So B square get common. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is how much? 1. So D square equal to A square plus B square minus 2AB cos theta. Okay. So D equal to how much? So D equal to root over of A square plus B square minus 2AB cos theta. This is your what? Vector difference formula, right? So again you can see the triangle ACD. In triangle ACD, if we will calculating the value of tan alpha, then what happened? You will obtain tan alpha is nothing but what? Perpendicular upon how much? CM upon how much? AM. Okay. So you can calculate tan alpha at CM upon how much? AM. Yes or no? So tan alpha equal to CM upon AM is nothing but what? AM is nothing but what? How much? AD minus MD. Yes or no? AD minus how much?
MD.
This part you know? AD minus how much? MD. So this should be equal to how much? Tan alpha is equal to CM is nothing but what? B sin theta upon how much? AD is how much bete? A. MD is nothing but what bete? B cos theta. MD is how much? B cos theta. How much you have obtained? MD cos theta. कितना? B cos theta. So put this value. A minus कितना बटे? B cos theta. So बीटा का अल्फा का वैल्यू कितना आएगा बेटे? अल्फा इक्वल टू कितना आएगा बेटे? tan इनवर्स कितना आएगा? B sin theta upon कितना बेटा? A minus
B cos theta.
B cos theta. This part okay now? This part okay now? अरे हाँ ना बोलो? Very important formula. ठीक है? So you take a note of this. You take a note of this. Okay. एक मजे की बात बताओ बेटे, ये ध्यान से देखो, ये मेरा क्या है बेटा? A प्लस बी वेक्टर है, ये मेरा क्या है बेटा? A माइनस बी वेक्टर है, ठीक है? ये क्या है बेटा? वेक्टर सम है, ये क्या है बेटा? वेक्टर डिफरेंस है। अरे हाँ या ना बोलो? ठीक है? तो इसी हिसाब से हम क्या करेंगे बेटा? बहुत सारे हम क्वेश्चन वेक्टर डिफरेंस का अभी करेंगे एक एक करके, ठीक है? एक सिंपल सा क्वेश्चन मैं देता हूँ, when the vector sum of two vectors A and B is equal to their vector difference, then what is the angle between two vectors? पहला क्वेश्चन, very easy question, very silly question देता हूँ, फिर आगे बढ़ेंगे। This video okay now? Have you taken the note of this? अरे हाँ या ना बोलो? Take a note of this. First you take a note of this. Okay? You write it. अगर दिक्कत आया है कहाँ पे? Then you can ask me. थोड़ा बड़ा कर दूँगा। हो गया?
तो बाहर का रिफ्लेक्शन
हो गया?